Hello, good morning. It's a rather crisp and clear Wednesday the 10th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So we had some good news for the economy yesterday. Like-for-like retail sales increased by over 7% year on year in January, and that beat expectations, and it was also a strong step up from the 4.8% rise that we saw in December. Later today we have GBP estimates due out. They're forecast to show just under 1% growth for the 3 months to January. And all this positivity helps bolster the market view that the UK may be the first to lift lockdown and lead the recovery charge. As such, as you'd expect, sterling was driven higher. We broke 138 against the dollar, touching a new high not seen since April 2018. We opened this morning at 138.15. Over in the US, Larry Summers has been on. You may remember him. He was the Treasury Secretary back when Clinton was interning Monica Lewinsky. Anyway, he voiced his concerns and voiced a growing concern indeed that the $1.9 trillion support package may lead to an unprecedented surge in inflation. That's all well and good, but he did also agree that there's little alternative. It seems widely agreed stateside that it's a risk worth taking in order to stimulate the recovery in the shortest time possible. By way of pre-game in the inflation game, we've got inflation data due out later today. It's expected to be pretty benign, but markets are indeed coming around to the idea that throwing all that money at the problem will probably lead to a degree of overheating as the increased demand outstrips the already constrained supply. And then meanwhile in the Eurozone, apparently Sweden's been on, studying the effects of Brexit. Apparently they're looking at how it was all delivered to see whether they could improve on the UK's performance. Does that mean that we might see Swexit next? Who knows? And of course with Italy far from settled as a solid, reliable member of the EU, they could all be queuing up to leave soon enough. Meanwhile though, the currency pays this no heed at all. The euro is back stronger. Yesterday euro dollar rose to a high of 121.20. The question is now whether we'll see a challenge to resistance at 121.80. But we opened this morning a little closer, a little higher, 121.30. Right, that's it from me. Have a wonderful day. Join me again tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.